We said that the people that came to court had no power to discipline the national officers of the party in compliance with the constitution of the party. We also said that the process by which they came is wrong, because they came by way of originating summons, which is a documentary way of coming to court. But we said that if you allege something against somebody in a criminal nature, you should have come by writ of summons so that they will come in and defend themselves. They also had their own answers to what we have said.
Police investigated the allegations of forgery, perjury, and conspiracy, and came up with a report. And the report was laid before the court to determine whether such characters can continue to lead this kind of political party. We cannot allow people of questionable characters to continue to be at the leadership aim of this Labour Party, and that's why we are before the court. And the question before the court is simple: whether by the report of the police investigation, whether the four national officers mentioned can still continue to parade themselves as officers of the party. That was what we did. And funny enough, why the order of the court was pending, the order of the court that restrained these four officers was pending. They illegally gathered in Asaba for a NEC. And who has the capacity to call a NEC? The only person authorized to call a NEC in the circumstance is Alhaji Bashir Lamidi Papa. He's the only one, because he's the acting national chairman now. No other person. And it also shocked the world that a NEC was called, and in my capacity as national legal advisor, I was not aware.
Even when the court made an order since the 5th of April, restraining them from parading themselves as a national executive of the Labour Party, and an interim body has been set up, they have continued to parade themselves. Mr. Abure, without regard to the order of court, went to issue a notice of meeting that was held on Tuesday in Asaba, where he sat, and it's reported in the media, in the electronic media, print media, and what have you, in his capacity as the national chairman of the Labour Party, who has been obviously restrained. So our quarrel, like I said, was that we had to file for Form 48 against him and the four other people, including the national the NLC chairman, who led them, president, who led them on immediately after the court proceedings on Monday to the office of the Labour Party. They came in through the back, and then he was there in the news saying that no court of law in Nigeria can restrain them from doing anything.